How to send money from PayPal to GCash. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily send money from your PayPal account to GCash account. Now let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your PayPal account and make sure that you are logged in. Once logged in, you need to find the payments option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the payments, and then once you are there, you need to select mobile wallet and transfers right at the very bottom. Once you tap on it, you're going to have to select where you want to send your money to. Since GCash is a Filipino wallet, you need to select Philippines as your country. Once you select it, you can have an option to enter the amount. So you can select your currency that you want to send on at the top. You can tap on the drop down to change your currency, and the contact person receives in Filipino pesos. That's their currency, so it will automatically show you the exchange rate. Then just tap on next, and once you have done that, you can select mobile wallet as your receiving option. Then tap on next again. Once you've done that, the mobile wallet provider is shown as GCash. Make sure that you select GCash if there's anything else selected. So just tap on next. And then from here, it will ask you for the receiver's mobile number, which you then have to enter. And after you tap on next, there are a few other information about the receiver. You just have to fill them out and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.